Hi everyone, welcome to Current Affairs Adda. If you want daily current affairs in a simple, fast, and clear way, you are in the right place. I bring you fresh MCQs and important updates every day. Let's get started. Today we are going to do MCQs on these topics. The first one is CISC underscores strategic importance of critical minerals for defense preparedness and Viksit Bharat 2047. And India Navy's pioneering staged sailing vessel INSV Kundinya to embark on her maiden voyage. The third one is about National Consumers Day 2025. And the next one is Sri Manohar Lal inaugurates commercial operation of the first unit of country's largest hydropower project. And the last news of today is Vice President Sri C.P. Radhakrishnan releases the book that is Sanatan Sanskriti Ki Atal Drishti. Coming to today's MCQs, who highlighted the strategic importance of critical minerals for defense preparedness in December 2025? Option C, Chief of Integrated Defense Staff. The tech talk on the theme Minerals That Matter, Geopolitics, Sovereignty and Value Chains was hosted by Option C, CENJOS in collaboration with IP Buzzer. CENJOS represents the Center for Joint Warfare Studies. Which defense systems were cited as dependent on critical minerals? Option C, jet engines, missiles, radars, satellites, batteries and semiconductors. Which initiative aims to secure India's critical mineral ecosystem? That is National Critical Mineral Mission. The government's approach to critical minerals focuses on Option C, extraction, processing, manufacturing and recycling. Securing critical mineral supply chain supports which national vision? That is Viksit Bharat 2047 and Atmanirbhar Bharat. The next MCQs are based on this topic, that is Indian Navy's pioneering staged sailing vessel, that is INSV Kaundinya, to embark on her maiden voyage. The first question is INSV Kaundinya is best described as So it is a staged sailing vessel reviving ancient shipbuilding traditions. INSV Kaundinya will embark on her maiden voyages from Option A, Porbandar to Muscat. The maiden voyage of INSV Kaundinya is scheduled on which date? Option C, 29th December. The staged plank technology of INSV Kaundinya uses Option B, coconut coir rope and natural resins. INSV Kaundinya was built under a tripartite MOU between It is option C. The INSV Kaundinya project primarily aims to revive indigenous knowledge systems and maritime heritage. The next, we will discuss MCQs on this topic, that is National Consumer Day 2025. The first question is, National Consumer Day is observed in India on which date? Option B, 24 December. The theme of National Consumer Day 2025 is option C, that is efficient and speedy disposal through digital justice. The Consumer Protection Act 2019 came into force on option A, 20 July 2020. Which body is established directly by the central government? Option C, National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission, NCDRC. Central Consumer Protection Authority, that is CCPA, was established on which date? Option B, 24 July 2020. E-Jagriti platform was launched on which date? January 2025. The toll-free number of National Consumer Helpline is option C, 1915. Number of goods covered under quality control orders is option D, 773. From February 1st, 2026, which product must mandatory display retail sale price regardless of size? Option A, pan masala. The next topic is about Sri Manohar Lal inaugurates commercial operation of the first unit of country's largest hydropower project. So the India's largest hydropower project recently commissioning a 250 megawatt unit is the option C, Subansiri Lower Hydroelectric Project. Who inaugurated the commercial operation of Unit 2, that is 250 megawatts of the Subansiri Lower Hydroelectric Project? Option B, Sri Manohar Lal. Sri Manohar Lal currently holds which union portfolios? That is Power, Housing and Urban Affairs. The Subansiri Lower project is designed as which type of hydropower scheme? Option D, run of the river scheme with small pondage. The total installed capacity of the Subansiri hydroelectric project is how many megawatts? It is 2000 megawatts. The flood cushion provided by the Subansiri Lower project is about how many cubic meters? Option C, 442 million cubic meters. How many beneficiary states across India will receive power from the Subansiri Lower hydroelectric project? Option B, 16. Total 16 states across India will receive power from this Subansiri Lower hydroelectronic project. Which two states will receive free power allocation from the Subansiri Lower hydroelectronic project? It is Arunachal Pradesh and Assam. The total power allocation reserved for the northeastern region from the Subansiri Lower project is Option C, 1000 megawatts. The Subansiri Lower hydroelectric project contributes to India's national objectives primarily by supporting So it mainly supports net zero and clean energy transition. The next topic is about the latest book release, that is Sanatan Sanskriti Ki Atal Drishti, which was released by the Vice President Sri C.P. Radhakrishnan. So this book Sanatan Sanskriti Ki Atal Drishti was authored by Vasudev Devnani. The book Sanatan Sanskriti Ki Atal Drishti, released by the Vice President of India, is most appropriately associated with which of the following national observances? That is Good Governance Day, which is celebrated on December 25th. The release of Sanatan Sanskriti Ki Atal Drishti gains symbolic importance primarily because it coincides with Option C, that is centenary birth anniversary of Atal Bihari Vajpayee. So friends, these were today's important current affairs MCQs. If you found this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to Current Affairs Adda for daily updates. Tomorrow I will come with more important current affairs. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.